great weather to donate. That's always the case when you're giving away to the people who need something.
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah, we've been out there years where we've had big thunderstorms come through, but that hasn't stopped people. They come on through, and it's amazing to see. We're appreciative for your help, and look, if you can't even make it out there, you can scan the QR code. We'll show it to you here later, and you can actually make a monetary donation, and that really helps, okay? So let's talk about that nice weather. Lots of sunshine. Warming up, of course. It was a nice little break yesterday. We still had some clouds. It was in the mid-80s. We're in the mid-80s now, but we're going up to near 90 degrees, and we've got a feels-like temperature. It's right around the actual temperature, which is a sign that the humidity is a little bit still on the lower side, but that too will change. Low to mid-60s now for dew points. Those will go low to mid-70s. Well, mid to upper 60s tomorrow and Sunday, and then lower to mid-70s by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. We're kind of right back into rainy season stuff as we get into next week. So we had convection offshore, all right, and it's actually a lot less, but it was a bigger area of convection here, and it would drift to the north a little bit, and then the winds up above would blow the tops in our direction. Now the winds up above have turned, and they're going like this, and they've actually reduced the amount of convection a lot, number one, so we don't have as much, and then number two, they're not blowing clouds in our direction. So that's why we broke the sunshine out for today. These are lower level clouds. Most of those will stay offshore, so we're going to go sunny to partly cloudy for this afternoon. Mid-80s for temperatures. Riverview and St. Pete both at 85. It's 87 now in Lakewood Ranch. It's getting up there. Low 90, about 92 there today. 84 in Wesley Chapel. We'll be close to 92. Tampa itself about 90 just because we're right there on the bay. That's it. Mid-60s for dew points. I was just looking around. There's parts of southern Minnesota that have the same dew points right now. Iowa, more than us. They've got 70s. Some of that is actually corn sweat, which is the plant actually producing moisture in the atmosphere. Here we go with our forecast for this afternoon. That's around 4 o'clock. Mostly sunny skies to turn partly cloudy, and that's it. Just a few clouds. Look real close. There's one little shower there. That's around 5 o'clock. I actually think western Manatee County, western Sarasota, perhaps up to Apollo Beach and Ruskin, maybe. It's a small chance, about 20%, a stray shower, and that's around 9:30 to 10 o'clock tonight. And then after that, it's gone. Most of us will not get rain today. And in fact, tomorrow, this is your Saturday. Sunny start, partly cloudy finish, and most areas stay dry. We will gradually start to bring the rain chances back from South Florida first and then drift them to the north Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I'll show you that. Right now, wake up temps one more day in the 60s tomorrow morning for most inland locations, low to mid 70s at the coast. 91 for a daytime high on your Saturday, and Sunday is going to be even warmer than that. Yeah, we are talking actually some really hot days, 90 to about 95 for daytime highs as we get going into Sunday and Monday. And at the same time, the humidity is coming up, so it's going to feel even hotter to you. Here's those rain chances I was talking about. That's Saturday. You can see it's all down to the south. This is Sunday late afternoon, getting closer. There's I-4, right? Let's go out to Monday. Couple showers in the Bay Area, and then as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we kind of slowly start to bring up the moisture. We want these winds to be more southeast versus east. The more southeast they are, the better chance we'll get those afternoon showers and storms. But we're getting hot, we're getting humid. We've got a little bit of an easterly wind. We have afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Most of those as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday will be south of Tampa, including Tampa, and then by the end of the week, I think they'll creep further northward.